Hello, my name is Bethany, and today I will be showing you how to create a banner for your FrogFolio using the new FrogFolio system. To create a banner, we will be using the header slide, where the menu bar is located. Anything placed on this slide is visible on every other page of your FrogFolio. To edit the header, you first need to click the Unlock button. Now that it's unlocked, we will be able to make changes to this area. Using the blue plus button at the bottom of the screen, I'm going to upload an image. JPEGs and PNG files are typically the best format to use for your banner image. So here's my banner. I'm going to select it and then upload. And as you can see, it popped right up into my header slide. From here you can change the size of your banner. So I've made my banner bigger, but as you can see, the photo itself has been resized and now not all of it's visible. If the picture ends up being cut off while you're resizing, you can use this handy auto resize tool here at the bottom of the module to fix it. If you click that button, it will resize your picture to fit into the space provided. You can also move your banner image if you'd prefer to have it, let's say, off to the side or even above your menu bar. So just like that. So now that my banner is the way that I want, I can lock the header slide, publish the changes, and now if I navigate to any other page of my FrogFolio, boom, my banner slide's there as well. And this is of course visible across all my pages now. So that is how you create a banner for your FrogFolio. Thank you for watching.